Hi, my name is HAZIM Gaber. We're going to continue looking at Excel formats. So we've talked about number formats. So now we're going to copy our column with numbers and we're going to paste it here. So now we're going to take a look at how can we format our numbers into currency. So if we choose format cells, and now we're going to choose the currency button. So currency is different from numbers in that we have a dollar sign. But sometimes when you choose a currency field, you don't see the dollar sign automatically, especially if you're formatting existing numbers. So if I have some blank unformatted cells and I choose currency, I will see the dollar sign symbol appear right here. So you see that there's a dollar sign symbol. But if I have numbers already and I right click and I choose format cells and I choose currency, I do not see a dollar sign symbol. That's very important because basically my currency and my dollar sign format look exactly the same. So no difference between them. So if I want to choose a symbol for my currency, I just choose a drop down button and I can choose the currency that I'm in. We've got a ton of currency. So we've got our standard symbols and we've also got letters. So for example, if I'm dealing with US dollars or Canadian dollars, I can choose the dollar sign. I can also choose a country. And if I want, say, USD, I can go down all the way here. So if I go USD, so now it shows me USD. Now going back, even though this is text, when you look at it, if you double click on it and try to edit it, you can't edit the letters USD because the USD are part of the abstract formatting. They have nothing to do with the actual data in the cell. So if we go back to format this currency, say I'm going to choose a traditional dollar sign. I can also, again, just like numbers in our previous video, we can format a negative number to have brackets and or a red color. So in this case, we can also change the decimal place. Typically, obviously with currency, you have 2 decimal places, but you're allowed to have more decimal places or less. You know, you can round to the nearest dollar, for example. So I can have 0 decimal places. So now all of these are $11. Even though, now notice again here, this shows up as $11, but it's actually, the data is $11.23. And that's very important mathematically. We're going to learn about that. But if I go back and I change my format back to 2 decimal places, my actual values come back. That's because the values in the cell don't change. If you have any questions, please post a comment and we'll answer it in the next video.